We be surrounded! Let them sing! Let them serve! And I'm here today. I'm going to be doing my makeup here today, and this is what I look like before I put on anything or even did any of my hair. So, peace out, guys. Hope you guys appreciate and enjoy. I'm just showing you a couple things that I use. I use these two things as powders. And I sometimes use this, but not really that often. Blush, I don't really use that too much. This is the this is toner. What's it called? Other day, rainbow, like eye thing, like you just put on your eyes. It's alright. It's really cheap. They have it at Walmart, but it's not bad. I'd give it a thumbs up. I'm pretty excited for it. I use them already. I got these eyeliner pens from Sephora. They were pretty semi-cheap. If you just buy the kit, you get gold, black, bronze, blue, purple. So I'll be showing you how you use them. Scribble them on. Two different concealers that I use. I have these two kinds, Maybach and Elavine. Yeah, Elame. Yeah, Elame. Yeah, that's weird. I'm gonna be putting my eyebrows on. I'm just gonna be putting them on real quick. Show you a little bit what I do. I just fill in the line just real quick. Like if there's like any spots that you ever think like that look a little bit dullish, I just kind of just scribble them in, fill them in. Just fill them in a little bit and spread it out, and then I usually always use the comb. My girl showed me that like you should always touch up your eyebrows because like they're always growing hair everywhere. I just touch them up very lightly because like my eyebrows ain't the best, so like I don't really worry about them too much. But I always make sure I touch them up. Using concealer. Put that shit right on. I just put that stuff on real quick. I just put it right under my eyes, put it on my nose, up here, on my cheek, right there, a little bit underneath, I just throw a little bit on whatever. And well, I already fucked up already. Forgot to put water on this. I'll be right back 1 sec. That's where I fucked up. Got that on there, splatted all around. It's looking pretty great already. See, it looking like a diamond. Looking like a diamond already. I'm just gonna put this on as fast as I can so I can go to the next step. But always make sure that you get your beauty blender wet, because if not, I tried that a few times. It fucked up. It fucked up pretty good. Yeah, I only been doing my makeup for a while, so like I'm just showing you what I do. So it's just what I believe in. So you can comment, you can be mad, you can be happy. Just don't shit on me, or I will be pissed. I will be pissed. T-Series. I got these powders. Ready. I use two different powders. I use Wet n Wild and L'Oreal. Yeah, L'Oreal. I use those two. I'm just gonna be putting those on real quick. I always put them on like real light. Like put them on like lightly as you can. Probably the best off. So they're probably shit flying in your eyes. Cause my eyes used to water so bad, I used to slap it on. It seems pretty good so far. Like this stuff like fits me pretty well. I always use like light colors, like light shades. Fuck. Do that. I'd say you're a fucking cunt. Yeah, I always like the way it turns out. Yeah, so far it's not turned into that's the first powder I use. That's how it's looking so far. And then I use a bigger brush for the L'Oreal powder because I always put that stuff on there real good, like a lot of powder because it's like almost the last step I do. This I more put on like pretty heavy. This stuff because this is a really nice powder. L'Oreal does make some pretty good powder. My face always turns out pretty alright. I've been working with makeup for a little bit. I'm hopefully I can get a little better with it. The new Johnny Depp, right? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be getting my tattoos touched up too. I'm pretty excited. I'm getting some more sometime, maybe after Christmas. That's it for the powders. For the black, I'm gonna look completely different after I do this black. I'm gonna be. Well, I watched a video just earlier. This dude, he pretty much just like put it on, just you know what I mean. I'll show you what he did. He kind of put it on and like rubbed it a little bit. I'll be getting into that step. I'm gonna try not to poke my eye out. This is how one eye turned out. Damn, this lighting sucks. Yeah, it does. What's up, yeah? I got one eye on done so far. It does look a little different. I'm gonna be attempting the second eye, see how it looks, and were kind of a fail, but overall it turned out alright. I'm gonna have to do a little better next time. I got like black all over. I still gotta touch it up, do some re-up of makeup. I have to put some cover up back over this. But overall, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good go at it. I try to do my eyeliner. It is a struggle. I'm not gonna lie. This is how it's looking like when it's like almost done. I'm almost done with everything I need to get done. See, not too bad. My eyes watering a little bit, but overall I like the look from it. So if you guys like it, comment, share. I appreciate it, guys. I might put a little entry still and added into it when it's finished. I appreciate it. I'm throwing on real quick just to see, because I honestly think I forgot to put enough foundation on, so I'm going back through and just throwing a little bit more on, throwing a little bit of powder, because like when I did my eyeliner, it kind of like splattered the black everywhere, just because like I didn't know exactly what I was doing at all. Okay, well, alright, I'm gonna jump to the next step. I'm just gonna throw some a couple powders on real quick. I don't even have to say nothing. I can just do that. Okay. I wish I had smaller brushes for my interface. Yeah, I wear makeup just because it does make you look a lot better. You can be a guy or a girl wear it, so that's really up to you. You know, If you want to look like Johnny Depp or you want to look like someone really good, looks like they take care of herself, you know what I mean? That's just me. You can call me weird for wearing makeup, but I don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? Because, like, I do it and I know. That's pretty sweet. I actually do like doing it. Like, not repetitively all the time, but... Okay, guys, and I think that's it. How's it look? How's it look? Don't cut me. Don't cut me. Because I'm happy. I can't be cut by anyone because I am happy now. Thumbs up all day. Thank you guys for coming in. I know my hair ain't complete right now, but I appreciate you guys for definitely checking me out. I'll be definitely doing a little bit more makeup. I'll probably be doing a little bit more eyeliner once I figure out a little bit better. Appreciate it, guys. This is a little bit of what I use. This is like just a quick scatter bout, but that is what I got.
Yeah, this is how it turned out. Yeah, it turned out okay. I still gotta get my hair done and redone this week, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm pretty happy with the performance. Black. I think it turned out pretty great. But thank you guys. Peace.